Have you ever missed important updates on Twitter and wished you could stay more connected? Let me guide you on how to enable email notifications for things you missed on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to ensure you never miss a beat. To begin, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the Twitter interface. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your Twitter experience. Within the settings, locate and click on Email Notifications. Under the Updates from Twitter section, ensure to check the box next to Things you missed since you last logged into Twitter. This will enable email notifications for any important updates you may have missed. After selecting the desired notification option, don't forget to click on Save Changes to apply the settings. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled email notifications for things you missed on Twitter. Now you can stay informed about important updates even if you're not actively using the platform. Stay connected and up to date with your Twitter feed by following these simple steps. Enhance your Twitter experience and never miss out on important information again. Happy tweeting!